Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Corolla front seat. First, gather your tools to ensure a smooth process. You will need a socket wrench set, specifically a 14mm socket for the seat bolts and a flathead screwdriver for prying. A torque wrench is also essential for safely retightening the bolts later. Keep a small container handy for all the bolts and parts you remove, preventing anything from getting lost. Before starting, safety is paramount. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's 12-volt battery using a 10mm wrench. This prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical issues. Wait at least 10 minutes for any residual power to drain from the system. Next, slide the front seat completely forward to expose the rear bolt covers, then slide it all the way back to reveal the front ones. This gives you full access to the seat's mounting points. Now let's get to those bolts. Locate the 4 plastic covers, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear of the seat rails. Gently pry these off using your flathead screwdriver. Once exposed, use your 14mm socket to loosen and remove all 4 seat mounting bolts. These bolts secure the seat to the car's floor. After removing them, carefully tilt the seat backward. This action provides clear access to the electrical connectors underneath the seat. With the seat tilted, you'll see several electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect all of them, paying special attention to the yellow airbag connector and the seatbelt sensor wiring. These often have safety tabs that need to be pressed before pulling. Once all connections are free, you can carefully lift the entire seat out of the vehicle. It might be heavy, so consider having a second person assist you. Maneuver it through the door opening, being mindful of the car's interior. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.